Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of grasp. A firm hold or grip. For example, the child slipped from her grasp. American pronunciation. Grasp. Grasp. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Grasp. Say. Grasp. Grasp means firm hold or grip. Grasp. Grasp. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Unfortunately, Jonathan had a firm grasp on one of Angela's thighs. Now, repeat after me. Unfortunately, Jonathan had a firm grasp on one of Angela's thighs. The second practice. Jason put his hands on Jed's shoulder and took a firm grasp. Now, repeat after me. Jason put his hands on Jed's shoulder and took a firm grasp.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.